Affordable wing design with elegant black body. It's easy to carry and control. By using 2.4 technology, many players can enjoy the flying at the same time without interference. One of the great features of L600 is the stabilization function of optical flow. Even if in the ever-changing landscape, you can still enjoy a stable flight. It also has pressure altitude hold function for even more stable and safety flight. When the aircraft is out of sight, you can press the left stick on the remote control to start the buzzer of the aircraft and retrieve the aircraft according to the buzzing sound. Another core feature is that its cool drone can automatically follow objects in motion. No matter a small object, at close range or a large object like vehicle, all can be tracked. It has equipped with L600 high-definition camera, so you can easily capture the most beautiful sight and shoot high-quality images or videos and enjoy them by Wi-Fi real-time transmission.
We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot, the drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The two will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone.
Its basic form is made of the building blocks. The perfect fit of building blocks makes it more solid. Anti-drop ability is more significant. It has a fixed module flight to make it more stable. It is also equipped with Wi-Fi camera, making the real-time match transmission possible. A motor propeller is attached to a clip. The design of bottom motor cover makes it more convenient to replace the motor and more solid. you can pick a paper cup. Install the motherboard, battery, and make your paper cup fly. Of course, you can also install that on the aircraft model. You can also go to challenge more impossible things. Achieve many seemingly impossible things. This is the Clip Drone that allows you to achieve true DIY significance.
SeeMe is the first networked camera drone you control seamlessly from a single mobile app. SeeMe's 1080p HD camera is housed inside of SeeMe, extending down from the flyer at takeoff and retracting when it lands. SeeMe is a lightweight, compact, and portable drone. You can take it anywhere in a traditional camera bag. SeeMe's legs detach easily for travel and storage, part replacement, and for future component upgrades. SeeMe has multiple flight modes, including orbit, pano, follow, and manual control. SeeMe can orbit clockwise or counterclockwise around you. In pano mode, SeeMe will remain in a fixed position while turning and capturing amazing panoramic shots. For follow mode shots, SeeMe includes an attachable water and sweat-proof tracking device. This rugged GPS tracker enables you to put your mobile device down and focus completely on your task. In follow mode, SeeMe will adjust to your position, as well as to increases and decreases in speed, so you don't even have to think about SeeMe. When flying SeeMe manually, you can select where you want the flyer to go next. Just enter your chosen destination, and SeeMe will take off and wait there for you. And your aerial video and photos will be completely stable, because SeeMe's in-house camera unit is controlled on a unique 2-axis micro gimbal, which automatically adjusts itself at every turn.